This is a 2001 Dodge 2500. I'm installing an 1.5" leveling kit on the front. You know, the 1.5" spacer. I took the shock out already. Pretty straightforward. Dropped the sway bar down. Just a couple 15mm bolts on the under here. You gotta pull the shock out. You have your little pieces that go up here. Take all them off. The fastest way to do this, rather than getting a spring compressor, anything like that, what I did, just get a small bottle jack, and you got a flat surface here, and you have this little stumper here, or whatever it is. What all I do is put the jack in between, and you can see where I put my jack stand right here on the back side, and I let my jack all the way down, so this front end's just hanging. So just take the bottle jack. I got all this stuff in place. You know, you want your rubber under here and then your spacer, but all you do is just take the bottle jack and jack it, and you can see it pushes this down enough where that will just pop in. It's a lot safer than doing a coil compressor, because if that pops off, you know, you can hurt yourself. But you just want to do it a little bit more. It's about as far down as you can go. This will go in, but I'm gonna need 2 hands. But I just wanted to show you the quickest way to and safest way to do this. Now, if you go with a bigger spacer, which I have in one of my other trucks, I went with a 3-inch. I don't recommend that because my front end got all screwed up. You need an adjustable track bar and you know, and alignment and everything else. But if you go that route, then you're probably gonna have to pull more of the you know, the arms off and stuff like that, because I had big trouble, you know, a lot of trouble getting my 3-inch spacers in my truck. But these 1.5", you're safe. Up to 2-inch, you're safe. It shouldn't mess with your steering or anything like that. But yeah, that's it.